Hey there everyone, welcome back in dot programming video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about operators. So I'm going to make a comment. The relational operators like is equal to or not equal to, greater than is equal to, or less than is equal to. It's called relational operators, and logical operators like a number greater than 0 and let's say number less than or equal to 100. It's a logical operators. Here one more type is unreal binary operators, and it's very easy. Like if you want to increase, decrease some, you can set the integer or from a variable or multiplication, like number plus plus, or you can set number, and also we can use like that. So unreal binary operators. So let's see the example. First of all, the relational operators. Number is equal to 10, and here I'm going to if condition, if and number greater than 10, then print number is greater than 10. Else print number is less than or equal to 10. That's it. Save. I'm going to clear terminal and run. Number is less or equal to 10. Here's coming. And if I type here, number is can set greater than or equal to 10. Now this time let's see, the first statement will be print number is greater than 10. So because its number is equal to 10 is equal to 10, so it's a relational operators. If I type here number is equal to 10 equal 10, now this time also the first statement will be print out. Okay, here the next is logical operator. Let's say number less than or equal to 10 and number is equal to 10. Now this statement will be run. The first one. If I change this one, now the second statement will be execute, because the first condition is number less than or equal to 10 is correct. The second and means and must as well. Number is equal to 100, which is wrong. So the next number is this one. The second statement number is less or equal 10. And if I pass here or operator and then run, number is greater than 10. See, because we said here in a logical operator, run this print, either this is correct or this is correct. The first uh, logical operator, which is a number less than or equal to 10, is correct, and it's wrong. That's why the first print statement is here in front of us. And the example of unary binary operator, like here I'm going to number plus plus, and if we print here number, let's see what happened. My bad, we have to close the bracket, and now we have here 11. If I pass here number, multiply 2, save. Now let's see, it's giving us error because not like that. We have to something like that. If you want to multiply here plus and minus also, we can make here. Now here 20 is coming, and make it clear here. If I plus, now our print statement will be 12. Same if we pass here minus, it will be 8. So that's our operators. We discuss about relational operator, logical operators, and unary binary operators. So that's all this tutorial. See you next one.